And I stay so boom and I start link with Piranha, a engineer virgin from Shocking Vibes. And Piranha stays so boom and I say, him want me do some demo because him love me writing. So him come check me over Corville one day, me over there run a boat and him come check me and I say, yo, want you demo two of them songs for me, you know? And I say, yeah man, we can go do them all in the evening, yeah. Go up a Shocking Vibes and demo the two songs them in the night. And about 3 days after that, him link me back CD. Bounty Killer sing one of the songs them.
Which song is that?
This are like about 99 now.
Wow.
You see? You can be what you want to achieve what you want to. Warlord telling you can be a star to not make them discourage you. Make these words nourish you. From your work hard, you will flourish too. I tell you, say, when I hear Killer sing my song, I'm always a cook. Every day with a Corville, I just cook where I cook. So it so happened to the day when him come back with the song, I cook again. Some baked bean and dumpling and I like the moment the man forward and play the song, I couldn't even consume my food. About 3 days after that, me eat my food in a jar. And at the fridge, my food going up. Because a Bounty Killer this.
Yeah, Killer.
Just check Bounty Killer career, 1999. Who did bigger than Bounty Killer boy at the time?
Yeah, no, Bounty was the man.
Bounty Killer was a man. So if Bounty Killer sing a song with me, right, in a them time there, in a the prime of him career, I feel like him had value to me. I feel like him put me upon a part now, like him a say, youth, you have talent, and I go show the world say you have talent without even meeting me. You over so I say,
wow,
so that
deep.
actually push me if you want even do more, because a Bounty Killer this a sing a song on my right.
Yardstyle live.